Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As per usual, I'm going to get to it. So as I have said previously, this is now a new topic that I am trying to gain skills, and basically this is a new way of me doing scenes. I am obviously at the very start of my journey. Like I was with the portraits, I gained skills very quickly and I was able to approach sketching portraits and different bodies and hands. I don't want to say really well, but I was happy with the end results after spending a couple of months trying to gain more effective, a much higher kind of level than what I actually started with. With the portraits, I actually looked at it, the end results looked like they were cartoons or very kind of joyish or very, very harsh looking, and then I ended up creating sketches that were very much like the original reference photo and with the characteristics of the person. So this is the start of the journey of the landscapes. So yeah, two perspective, and that's what I found in the research was for the most amount of landscapes, people use two perspective for the scenes, any type of scene in a landscape, cafe, country, city, anything like that. So this is the approach that I have utilised for this one. It was a curve going round what looks like a barn or something, and it's going off in the curve, and then you have the fence. This was it's a new topic, so I'm still trying to get my head around it. This is the second day, I believe, and it's still getting used to it. I utilised geometric like before, but this is heavily geometric. This was, first one was 2 minutes 20, second one was 2.5 minutes, second one was 2 minutes. So yeah, check back in with me, let me know what you think, and I shall see you next time. Bye guys!